I create this sculpture because I love the creation of God, like the flowers, trees, and the sea. Art can help us become more conscious to our true relationship with nature. It is undoubtedly important to feel a connection to the natural world. In fact, it is vital to our survival. The first step to creating art based on nature is to spend time in nature.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. 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 Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.